This tutorial is intended to show you how you can use the Go Math Texas Personal Math Trainer to assign to your students, whether you are in the classroom and you'd like them to access it on their Chromebooks as a math station, or whether we are at home in distance learning, they can log in and work on it just like they could at school. So you're going to make sure you get into your Think Central. Make sure that you're in your Texas Go Math up here and in second grade. And you'll see here it says Go Math Texas Personal Math Trainer. Click on that. And they have a couple of different things you can click on here. If you press the plus sign, you can expand to see this has all the modules and it's all different practice assignments for students. If you click on standard-based assignments, you'll see that there's different focal areas. If I click on the first one, there are quizzes, some homework practice. You can assign those as well and kind of play around and with that. If I scroll down to other assignments, you'll see and expand. There's beginning, middle, end of year tests, which are fantastic, done for you. There's unit level, some assignments here, some quizzes for the different units you'll see. Down here, these are more for us teachers resources. Okay, so let's start up here in the modules. Let's say I want my students to practice something that I have taught via mini lesson, using the math tools, whatever, at home, at school. And I want them to, I'm going to click on module 1, let's say. And let's say I want them just to practice, let's say we're down to 3 digits. Why not? So I'm going to click on Explore 3-digit numbers. If you want to see what it looks like, you can click on it and it shows you what the students will see and how they work through it, okay? But you can click the Assign button and then click Add. You can give it a name. So mine would be 3-digit numbers, student instructions, work, do your best. Okay, so class is going to be monkeys for me. I am Miss Menfie's monkeys. And for me, I just added my son since it's the summer. So this one student is here, but we'll have our class lists all in here. You can add everyone at once or just particular students who you feel need a certain skill to practice. I'm just adding, of course, Dean. And then let's see, you can show when the date should start, when that assignment will show, and when it's due, what times, and the hours if you want to be that specific. Obviously, if we're working from home, we don't want to be too specific. And down here, these are just default settings. 75% is the mastery level. What's neat about this is you can, plan ahead and set available dates for assignments that won't show up until you need them, right? For the future weeks. I think that's very convenient. So I'm going to click Save. I do want to save my changes. Okay, the due date. You just click what you want. Okay. You scroll down. This just make sure you have all the settings you want. And here we go. You can see I've already assigned 3-digit numbers. I've already assigned ways to represent numbers. And we just did oh, no, my fault. I did the number lines and ways to represent numbers, and we together just did 3-digit numbers. So it shows all the assignments and all my dates are the same because I didn't change them. It shows you how many students you have in it and whether they've started it or not. So super helpful to assign. I hope this helps you. To get back, I usually click home and go back to my sections that I need to. So hopefully this was helpful to you, second grade.